Hi, my name is Fahad and I usually do videos on the main channel, Life as Usual. You are currently watching the second channel, Second Life as Usual. In the previous video, I've asked you an important question and you guys have been nothing but extremely helpful with your answers. And I'm gonna do exactly what you told me to do. But now I have another important question. Arguably will be maybe more important than the previous question. We are at the point where we completed the 5-liter engine, so we're supposed to start driving it now more often so I can, test the engine to see if it actually works or not. But that means one of the cars is going to be driven less, and cars don't like to sit around. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to sell one of the cars. Now I'm thinking it's going to be the 3-liter, since this been completed 6 months ago and the engine sounds magnificent. So I'm confident that I could sell that car now, and I'm happy the next person would be happy to get that car. I know I said I'm never gonna sell that car, but to be honest with you, after hearing the 5-liter, what do you think, Alex? It's different. It's different. I'm kind of changing my mind. But the situation is, I think we need to sell the 3-liter. That's the situation, because if I'm gonna drive this more often, it's not nice to have the car just sitting around doing nothing. So my question to you is, how should I sell the 3-liter? Now, different ways. Some of you have already reached out and said, please, can I buy your car? Through emails and so on. But then it's going to be difficult for me to pick who's going to buy my car. So I don't know. This is a difficult answer. I may give it to someone and then someone else is going to be upset. I give it to that person and then that person will be upset. I'm not sure who to sell it to. Now, I'm thinking I could sell it to one of you guys. Well, I want to sell it to one of you guys, but I don't know how to do it. This is the step that I've never ever done in my life. This is a step that I've never sold a car in my life. I've previously traded them in for in a dealership or whatnot, but I've never ever sold a car on YouTube. And I've been doing videos for how long now? Forever. For over 3 years. I've never ever sold a car. So this is my first time ever. Yeah. So we can do like big YouTubers. We can raffle it. Or we could potentially put it in auction, like an eBay auction, and the highest bidder will win the car, basically. I think that's both options, really. Either an auction or a raffle. And if I were to raffle it, what would be the ticket price? £30, £50? I don't know. I leave that to you guys to answer my question. Or if it's raffle, tell me how much the ticket should be. What would be a fair price? I don't know how many tickets I could sell. Maybe I'd sell 10 tickets. Then the car will be £150. But there is a company that reached out to me. It's called Raffle All something. No, Raffle, is that what it's called? Yeah. So they said, we can help you out with raffling the car if you wanted to raffle it. So we could do that. So I leave that decision to you guys. You've been very helpful in the previous question. This is an important question. Let me know your thoughts. And I look forward to hearing back from you. Right now, I'm gonna go back into finishing the 5-liter, and it's gonna be an amazing video. I'll see you guys on the main channel. Bye-bye.